Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this video today because I have a special package that just arrived in the mail. Let's get into it. So I ordered the GoPro Hero 10 and it just came. I figured I'd do a little unboxing and show you guys what's in the package. All right, so here we have the GoPro 10. I'm gonna start with the smaller items first, so I'm gonna set this aside. Let's take a look at this handlebar mount. All right, and this is the handlebar mount. So as you can see, if I unscrew this here, this will get wider and they'll be able to clamp around a pole. So you have this mount and then the actual handlebar piece. And if you lift this tab up, this will just click right into place and you can put the tab back down and that's not going anywhere. So the GoPro would be on here and this part would go around the pole. Now, one thing that's super cool about this mount is that if you hit this tab right here, you push it down, you can twist this so you can switch whatever direction your camera is facing just like that, super easy, and it doesn't move when you don't have that tab pressed. So yeah, that is the handlebar mount. Next, let's take a look at GoPro's brand new battery. So you can tell it's the Enduro battery by the new white marking. These batteries are supposed to last longer in cold weather, so it'll be perfect for a lot of the ski videos that I want to make now. All right, let's get into the main thing here, the Hero 10. So you can see the box that it comes in here. Now I would imagine this just slides right out. Set that aside. And here we have the GoPro case. It's a pretty well protected case. Let's take a look at everything that's inside. Some paperwork. It's like a charging cable, USB-C of course. The traditional GoPro battery. So you can see this one's blue, the Enduro one is white, just the difference between the two. Couple of mounts. This is the same kind of mount that I was looking at before at the pole. Sticky. And another one of these screw heads. And then of course we have the Hero 10 itself. Let's get this off of here. Take all this plastic off. And there you have it. The brand new GoPro Hero 10. So yeah, that is everything I wanted to show you. Just wanted to show you a quick unboxing. There's plenty of other reviews on YouTube that go way more in depth than I would be able to, so I invite you to check some of those out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed seeing me open the GoPro, and I cannot wait to use it out there skiing and throughout any of my adventures. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that content coming in the future. Yep, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.